TSM. Morning, everyone. Good morning. Uh, Let me fill out the. Oh. So I have the watch list, the usual suspect, the I have AMD, INTC, TSM, mRNA, KODK, which is I'm gonna explain a little bit, NIO, uh, NIO. This one is LB. Yep, NIOLB, which is I think is some apparel company or clothing company. FIYE, some kind of software company. So actually I already finished my trading pre-market. Yeah. The what happened is the yeah. So this is what I did. So the pre-market stocks moving very strong, right? I think it's moved like crazy, and I couldn't resist myself, and I just go long and then do a quick scalp. That's the way my trade. That's my trading style. So I keep scalping all the way on the top. So if you see the stock retrace, I scalp, right? Stock retrace, I scalp, retrace, scalp, retrace, scalp, retrace, and scalp. And by doing so, it's basically you're minimizing you're minimizing your risk while maximizing your reward. So that's what I did. I already above my target just by doing the pre-market stuff. So I already above my target. So I might not be trading this morning, but I'm just gonna hang out and then see how it goes. Because once you reach your target, right? This is not a gambling. So once you reach your target, you just stop. You stop trading. Because if you keep on trading, you're gonna lose your money. Wow. Okay, market open. Yeah. So I already finished. Um, let's see how it goes. KODK. Wow, KODK started strong. 48 million. KODK is a million shares being exchanged in the first minute. Look at that. Huh. AMD might be a short. So NIO. KODA might be go up again, but I'm not gonna. Yeah. Look at this long wick. It's showing the indecision. So if you try to go long in here, when it drops, you might get stopped out, right? So that's the thing. That's the thing about trading in the first 5 minutes. It's dangerous. TSM might be a short. KODK might be a long. So wow, KODK moving up. So if you just be careful not to chase this stuff. If you start chasing it, then what happen is don't go and just chasing the stock around. You just be careful. Yeah. Now it's gonna hit 21 of this. So when the stock is hitting all-time high, it's probably a good idea to put your stop loss or your resistance or your target or your support at an even number, right? At 21, for example, or 20.5 or 21.5, or some kind of like a round number, right? It's easy and nice to set yourself as a target. KODK, wow. Wow, Kodak get halted. It's halted. Crazy, crazy, crazy. AMD might be a good long. AMD might be a good long. So you enter here your stop loss at 17.12. So that might be a good idea. Minimize your risk minimize your risk and maximizing your reward. Your 75.8 is your target. Right? So let's see. 75 somewhere in here. 75.2 is your target. This is a very good risk to reward ratio if you want to go long while Kodak is being halted. So AMD doesn't want to move. Let's see if it can. Nah, that's a bad idea. I'll probably get out. I would probably get out on AMD. Yeah, I would get out. Yeah, it's gonna retrace. See, it's already below 75. So again, this is not so that's not good, especially after this shooting star pattern in here. You see this candle right here is called shooting star, right? So that's usually a bearish, usually. So it might go back up again. Yeah, it might. Yeah. So it's popping up. So today is the rare day where I did not trade because I already hit my target. But I don't know. LB. LB. LB might be a good long. Let's just wait until it's forming candle. Yeah. Just small size. So there's a small size on AMD. See how it goes. AMD all-time high. My God. S&P. Yeah. So I just do a small trade. Can help myself. Let's see how it goes. AMD. Yeah. AMD. Yeah, so AMD makes my day and then hit already my target. The Kodak is already is out of the pause trading position. My God, look at this. So I end up trading my results quite nicely today. Excuse me, sorry. So it's it's already 2% over my account. So I'm just not gonna trade anymore. My last trade is AMD. It's just the so my you see another trade. So another pause. So this is what happened. And if you stuck in the stock that is being paused during the trade on the way down, that's bad. See? So this is a really bad situation if you get stuck in here, right? Because when it opens, it might jump down. Because if you think that psychologically though, people, it's panicking, right? Oh, what happened? But let's say you buy it at 22, right? And then suddenly stock drop at 1979, and it's being halted. Yeah, the trading is paused. Stock is halted. So psychologically, it's just gonna go crazy, right? It's just gonna sell your stock at whatever price that you can find. So that's the logic behind it. So when the trading for this stock is being resumed, what happened is the price might jump into, for example, 19 or 18. We don't know, but usually, I'm not saying always, right? Usually, the price is gonna, gap down. So that's really bad, right? So yeah, so this is the reason why you don't chase the stock. And my trading style is just I'm more like a scalper. So if you look at this is ABCD pattern, right? ABCD. So I enter here, scalp. I add more position, scalp, and then quit exit all of my position, right? Because the stock is dropping. So again, this is another. So when the stock bounce back from this 5 moving average, I enter, and then I scalp, and then try to enter again, adding more position, and then scalp, right? Enter, scalp. This one right here is very nice. So I enter quite heavy size because I know the stock is all on the way up, especially after this confirmation candle. So I enter, scalp, and then scalping this part, and then this one is just a little bit pushing it. So this one is not necessary on the last trade. So that's what the for the KODK. Now for the AMD, I'm not really proud of this because I'm kind of chasing it. So this is the reason why I don't hold the stop that long. I mean, if I want to re-enter this perfect trade, right? This one right here is perfect. It might go up again, especially after this confirmation of the hanging man pattern. So alright, so I guess that's it. My name is Michael from Aegis.CMEG, and I will see you tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. um, yeah,